hold on.
Splash, baby.
No, Romy, stop. I see you, Rome. Hi! Hi, Britt. You're just a happy little man.
Stop splashing me.
Roman. He's not trying to splash you. He's just playing. Roman, get down, baby. Roman, get down, please. Roman, can you say hi?
Hi.
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 What you got there? Gloves? Let's see how you're dressed. We got boots, gloves, backpack, ready to go. Britton!